Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh Bhagwat, and today we are going to give a course review on teacher. We are going to learn what this course is all about, and we will get to know why you should do this course. And then we will move to the content of the course, and after that, I will be sharing some of my experiences. And then you will get to know by the whole at the end of the video, you will get to know that you should do this course or not, or you just do this course. Oh, I said the same thing. No problem. So, firstly, let's begin with what this course is all about. Well, Apple Teacher is an you can say, free online teacher learning program provided by Apple for educators and for teachers. Well, it doesn't mean that a common person or a student like me cannot enroll. Everyone can enroll in this course. It's completely free, and the certificate is also free. So I got certificate like here, recognized as Apple teacher, and along with certificate, you also get some a frame like this. I have added my photo here. You can use this uh, profile in your social media. You can update this pic in your social media profiles. You can add this in your CVs, resumes, personal websites, blogs, and many other places that you are on. You have a web presence on. And you also get two batches. This is the white black. Second one is black and white. You can add this on your LinkedIn profile. You can add this on your personal blog. You can add this on your CV as well. Okay, so type up your CV. You can just use it. So to get started, you just need to search Apple Teacher. Okay, and just click this link, and then you will move towards here. Then you need to create an Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can just use your Gmail works. Okay, no problem. After that, you sign in and then you go. You'll get a window like here. Now, what this course is all about? Well, this course is all about learning about Apple products. So currently, they are giving two products here. Knowledge about two products. First one is the iPad, and second is Mac. Third one is Shift Playgrounds. Yet, I think it's more of an coding thing. We'll be focusing on iPad because I have completed the iPad one. Mac one, we will focus on next time, or you can just do that if you want. Now, why you should do this course? Well, the first main reason is that this is officially from Apple and this is for free. Okay, that's the first reason. Apple, I don't know if Apple provides any free training. This one is the good one for a beginner. Secondly, if you are an Android user and you just bought a new iPad or Mac, or if your friend has an iPad or Mac, then you should do this course. Why? Because they provide the detailed deep features about iPad as well as Mac. Here I am showing about iPad. Similarly, there is for Mac as well. You will get to know the features which an iPad user doesn't know. Yeah, I have completed. So we will now have look at the content of the course, what this course is all about. So as I said, firstly iPad because I have completed this course. Okay, so as you can see, there are 6 modules. You need to complete all 6 of them, and then for each module you need to earn an badge. For iPad you will earn an badge, and for other as well you will earn an badge. After you earn 6 batches, you will be eligible to get the certificate. Okay, and to be recognized as an Apple teacher. For content, let's move to iPad. Well, the basic thing about this course is that, or you can say the con about this course is that there is no video lecture as normally we see on YouTube or in other platforms like Coursera or Udacity. Here, there is no video. They only show the. Let's look at it. As we can see, an iPad window here, and It's the basics one. If you don't have any knowledge, then this is for you. It's pretty much basic how to move things. We'll look at some advanced features. Mhm. Control center. Those. Okay, we will look at Keynote. So what's Keynote? Well, Keynote are the set of powerful tools that you can use to well, yeah. So first one is the slide, second is photos. So every module has sub module as well. After you complete all the modules, you will earn an badge. Okay, so first one is I think yeah, slide one. As you can see, they have given some tips on how to use this app, particular app. For example, they have an app on drawing. They have given information about how to use the uh, particular app, particular feature. Right? For example, here is drawing. So they are telling us how to use the drawing. Then there are tables, charts, and many other stuff as well. Okay, so it's good for you if you don't have any knowledge about Apple product, or if you own an Apple iPad and you just want to know more about it. Indeed, after you complete all of the batches, you earn your batch. I think so. I have earned. Will show here. So I have earned this batch, and that's why I got this. Okay, you can to earn, and then you can go for it. You can just earn the certificate. Okay, and this is the batch for Mac. There's difference badge band. I guess same topics, yet some features may be different. Okay, so what I learned from the course, well, as was as I said before, I learned many things about Apple iPad because I am an Android user and my friend has an iPad. So as I completed this course, I was able to do the things which my friend wasn't able to. Even if he owns the iPad for about 6 months, right? So it's knowledgeable course, and if you just want to learn something new, or if you are into learning, if you just want to learn something for fun, then this course is for you, and you get recognition from Apple, and that's a big thing as well. So right, so that's all. um, Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel. We will be providing more reviews on the most trending courses and the best courses available on the internet. We'll be giving the whole reviews on it. To subscribe to our channel. Let's meet next time. Thank you for watching.